Good morning friends, here I am again for another video about the Purchase app. Another module would be the reordering rules. How we can create a reordering in the Purchase, which is very important for any company. So let's see in our database how we can create. Here it is, our Flectra database about the Purchase module. So let's go on the sales for the reordering module about the products. So I'm gonna go on the products. As you can see that plenty of the products are already over here, but I'm just finding out which will be the so let's say about the desk pad. I'm just selecting the desk pad. As you can see the zero quantity over here, so I'm just selecting on that. If I click on that, we have the modules in the Flectra, which is reordering directly. You can automate that. So let's creating that. So as you can see the product, we need to select on that about the minimum quantity. So what I required, let's say 2 minimum quantity would be required, and I'm just about the maximum quantity would be 10. Multiple quantity would be at just selecting as the default. Minimum quantity we require is we don't need a less inventory in hand if we have to sell the order. The maximum we can require because we don't even need a more than quantities to overload on that. So yeah, we can select on that. So let's first the quotations to create for the vendors. So I'm just gonna go on the orders and I'm gonna create a new quotations for the vendors. As we can see over here, we can select any vendor. So I'm just writing down the vendors, Azure insurance for our database expirations. We can select any date over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna add the products about that. So as we can select the products, which is desk lamp. Yeah, it is already over here. So we have the quantities just one over here. As you can see the red mark over here, which shows that we don't have any quantities in inventory here, but it's okay. We just confirm the order. Let's save it. So we're gonna save on it. Once we click on save, it shows the red over here, but still we're gonna confirm the orders. So yeah, we can confirm this. When confirm that, it shows the deliveries. So we click on the deliveries and it shows that it's a waiting over here. So as you can see over here, it's a waiting. So we need that inventory actually in hand. So for that we need to go on the purchase order. So let's go on the purchase. In Flectra we have the in a day we can regenerate our RFQ. As you can see over here, RFQ by one day. If you don't have generated by here, you can directly go on the products and just write it down our own product, which is desk pad, and you can select over here and you can generate from here for the reordering. If I'm gonna add it on that reordering rules, as you can see minimum quantity would be 2 and the maximum quantity will be 10. Okay, it's confirm that. Before that I need to confirm on the purchase for the vendors. So I'm gonna add it on the purchase vendors, like I need to select on that. So for the vendor I'm gonna select Azure insurance for the branded free name, and yeah, of course I need to create a payment price as well. So it would be a $5, isn't it? It's really good to have it this price. So yeah, let's save it on that. So as you can see, everything is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go on check on the sales modules. As we can see, it's already over here for the sales orders. So we're gonna select on the purchase module as well, and we can see the over here. So let's go. The quantities, as you can see, I need to just confirm on that. So if we find over here, let me just do it again so it will be easy for you guys to confirm the order. As you can see, the confirm the orders, the delivery is there. So now everything will be perfect. So I'm just okay, yeah. So let's validate on that over the availability. For that we need to go to on the purchase module. We're gonna select the product and we can do the run schedule, which is very easy in the Flectra module. So you can create your own. If we have the options which in inventory. If you go on the inventory, we do have the products quotation, which is run schedulers. If you click on that, all the run schedulers products has been generated. So it will be directly automatic. You can go on the back on the sales modules, and you can see on the dashboard it's already generated over here. So let's click on that, and you can see the when quantity would be just 1 over here. So we need to validate on that. So let's back to on the purchase module for the reordering. So as you can see, our RFQ has been generated. So I'm going to click on that. The quantity on hand, it will be 11. So minimum quantity would be 2 and maximum quantity would be 10. So they can manage, Flectra can manage automatically. They can understand about the minimum quantity that we do have in inventory. So let's select on that the confirm order. So if we confirm this order, so it's directly show the receipt generated over here, and we do have the number of the quantities in hand. So I'm going to receive this product, and of course it's the validate as well. So once I validate that and apply on the Flectra, it will directly reflect on the sales modules on the for the reordering, as we do have the quantity. When it's showing that its delivery would be in waitings, now it shows that it's ready. So that's how we create the reordering. We need to validate on that. So I'm just selecting the dates. I'm just selecting the dates, and now it's validate on that. So let's validate on this. So I'm going to validate on that. As you can see, it's waiting now. It's done. It's ready for the inventory. So yeah, that's how you create reordering rules in the purchase module. As you can see, the purchase order has been already created. That's how you create on that. Thank you very much for this modules. For the another videos, please keep on touch. If you can't see me, have a good night. Thank you very much.